The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today to build this event. With this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our principal, Reverend Sister G. Joseph, sisters, teachers, our esteemed guests, and my friends.
A very warm and respectful pranam to one and all present over here. I, Aisha Pathan, and my friend Shreya Sawant will constantly tell you about the entire function, welcoming you on behalf of Recitation Convent School.
Grandparents offer an unconditional love that is different from that the parents provide. Many years ago, grandparents were not remote because they lived in the next room. School projects like researching a tree were easy. It didn't require a phone call, and more importantly, the family tree came alive.
Yes, today it is rare for grandparents to live in the same house as their grandchild. However, this doesn't lessen the need for grandparents to be involved in their grandchildren's lives.
Yes, feeling the pulse of the society, our school has taken an initiative to celebrate the Grandparents' Day, where both the grandparents and the grandchildren participate with all their heart.
Prayer works wonders. Prayer should spring from the heart.
Yeah, it is rightly said that sound is the most powerful force in the universe. Music is a divine art to be used not only as a pleasure but as a path to God realization. So today we have our teachers who will be singing the prayer song.
for the spiritual chain reactions with your angelic voices. Grandparents are our heritage and are essential members of our families and communities. That is why a special day, Grandparents' Day, is set aside every year to honor them. And this is a special day for us to spend some time with our dear grandparents and have fun together.
Grandparents are the link between the present and the near past. It is through them the national heritage and the traditions are handed over to the next generation. It is the experiences and beliefs of our grandparents and the senior members in society that strongly affect our lives. Grandparents' Day is observed to honor and respect grandparents and all senior members of the society. It is an opportunity to thank them for their service to the society and the guidance to the new generation.
The whole event is celebrated with the belief that grandparents are like a shady tree lovingly showering their cool shade on the grandchildren.
Grandparents, like heroes, are as a necessity to a child's growth as vitamins.
Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of dark and gives us positivity. In spiritual world, light means life. So we can also think of light as giving us new direction in life. With this noble thought, let us proceed our program by lighting the lamp in front of Mother Mary.
I would request the senior most member of PCS family, Sister Rosalia, Sister Alice George and Sister Philo John to light the lamp. May their wisdom and life experiences be our light in search for knowledge. May their prayers and blessings light our path as we journey together towards the fullness of life. May the divine power bless us all.
हम जानते हैं आप है बेकरार, पर सिर्फ कुछ पलों का है इंतजार और फिर शुरू होगा ये शो एकदम धमाकेदार.
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams.
Dance is the most beautiful form of expressions of human feelings. Dances are the messengers of the God.
Today we are about to witness some great dances, some great talent. So let's gear up for a beautiful start of the show. We present before you a welcome dance performance by talented students of 8th standard.
Dhum dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum agappa dhum dhum ta na na de ra na 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 dhum dhum agasa ragir da dhum da 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 di ra na 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 da dagr da dhum da dagr da dhum dagr da dhum 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 da na 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 di ra na 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 dhum kirta na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa kirta na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama pama gama gama pama gama esa. Gama pama gama gama pama gama esa. Gama ni pa gama gama pama gama esa. Sa 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 gama pasa gama. I'm in love with your vibe. Why, 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 why? Niri bama ba kare sani. Why, 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 why? Pani sa sa pani sa sa pani sa sa. Why, 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 why? Kare ni sa ma kare sa ni da ba. Why, 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 why? Takar sakar kat kat.
Ta jum nam ta rum ta dhalam ko tak ko da da gir ta jum ta ka jum ta takita ta da ta jum gir ta tanam ta rum ta takita ta da gir ta tarita ta dana ta runa ta dimita ta da jum ta tanam ta rum ta gadim ta gir ta dim ta ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam ta kita dana ta tangir dim ta ta jum dim da kita jum da kita jum ta jum da kita ta jum kita dam ta dana ta dana ta jum dana ta tangir.
That was indeed a wonderful performance.
This was just a beginning. There are yet more mesmerizing performances to come. Let us now hear the words of wisdom from the manager of our school, Reverend Sister Alice George, a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience, and inspiration to all of us.
Respected Sister Jeeves Joseph, teachers, the grandparents, parents, and my dear children, a pleasant and eventful evening to all. Grandparents' Day, a day we usually mark with the honor of our grandparents. Being grandparents can be one of the best feelings in the world. Learning from life, which we get from our grandparents, cannot be learned in any number by reading books or participating in any class. Our grandfather and grandmother are a library, our very personal game center, best support, a terrible teacher, and a world filled with love, which is tied together into physical source, which we always find for children. Grand is the word that is best suited for me, which I can say. There are those who are raised above our parents, who are another wonderful set of creatures in our lives. The wrinkles on their faces are proof that they are the most experienced people. Therefore, it makes us very important to connect with them. Children, learn what they have to teach us. Learn from their experience and then build our life, which we do, then all will be stronger. The bond between grandparents and grandchildren cannot be described in words. Grandparents not only give birth to good habits and moral values in children, but when they enjoy unlimited, they become their friends. While parents try to provide all that they can give to their child for all-round development, their life is incomplete without their grandparents. Sometimes it is seen that grandchildren have many signs of their grandparents. We can notice it when they behave like their grandparents. Moreover, This is an interesting fact that it is not only with those who live together, but also with those who rarely get a chance to meet each other. However, today, unfortunately, the growing trend of nuclear families has limited the connection between grandchildren and grandparents, and both of them grows due to doing so much. Parents are responsible, so they should take their children into the place of their grandparents to make the time so that they can hold the bond to keep or stay. If the meeting is not feasible, it is suggested to help them stay in touch with the phone or other means. Dear grandparents, your guidance and love makes the grandchildren strong every day. Enjoy their company. Thanks. Have a lovely day ahead. Happy Grandparents' Day.
Thank you so much, sister. We feel really privileged to have your supervision and backing with us at all times possible. Without you, all this would have not been possible. Nobody can do for children what grandparents do. Grandparents sort of sprinkle stardust over the lives of the little children.
Grandparents are important to children in so many ways. They have patience and time when parents are too busy. They have stories to tell and interesting game to play. They are good for treats and spoiling, which we all need from time to time.
So here we have our young friends displaying their affection to their grandparents.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Bum chicka chicka bum, chicka bum bum bum, chicka chicka bum.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम।
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम। एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम। एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम। एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम।
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.
मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे।
मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूं दुआएं मांगू रे मैं यहाँ अपने लिए रब से तेरी बनाए मांगू रे सिखाया हम लोगों को अच्छा इंसान बनाया जिंदगी है तेरा साया अनजानों को सीधा रास्ता दिखाया तू नहीं एक रोशनी ले आई है जीवन की राहों में हर घड़ी गुजरे
That was mesmerizing, Shreyas.
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. So proceeding towards the next segment of our program, we have our young friends from standard 1st and 2nd who will be reciting a poem.
I am D. Caitlin Jose from grade 1. Let's sing a song for the Grandparents' Day celebration. Grandma, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandpa, today is for you, today is for you. We are going to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Grandma and Grandpa, Grandma and Grandpa, we'd like to say that we celebrate you in a very special way, in a very special way. Kind and considerate is what you are, is what you are. You will always be my shining star, my shining star. Thank for the wonderful things that you do, that you do. Now it's time to say, we love you, Grandma, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandpa. Today is for you, today is for you. We are going to feel very, very special. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Thank you. Grandma, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandpa, today is for you, today is for you. You are very special, you are very special. You are lovely too, you are lovely too. Grandma, Grandpa, Grandma, Grandpa, thanks to you, thanks to you. You are very caring, you are very caring. I love you too, I love you too.
Good morning, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Adita Menon from First Grade Jasmine. Today I am going to recite a poem on Grandparents' Day. You don't get angry, you don't get mad. A smiling face, a warm embrace, a hand to hold when I am full. A heart so full of love and care. I thank the world that you are there. A story time, a nursery time. It's fun to spend time with you. Thank you for all you do. Happy Grandparents Day. I love you, Grandma. Happy Grandparents Day.
That was applaudable.
Dancing with the feet is one thing, dancing with the heart is another. We present before you a solo dance performance by the cute Munchkins from the primary section.
दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। मैं न जाने बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा। मैं न जाने बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा। बाबू से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी छड़ी छड़ी से जुड़े अगर बन जाए सपनों का घर। हाँ, छड़ी छड़ी से जुड़े अगर बन जाए सपनों का घर। छड़ी अकल से काम ले, गिरे कोई तो थाम ले। छड़ी अकल से काम ले, गिरे कोई तो थाम ले। बनती नहीं हो छड़ी है
was mesmerizing, Shreyas.
We feel honored to have with us a prominent personality of our school, Vilma ma'am. Ma'am, you hardly need any introduction. You have made all of us proud of your distinguished work in numerous capacities.
Good morning to everyone. Once a little boy was asked by the guest, "Who is the best person in the world?" The little boy looked at his parents and cheekily answered, "Grandma is the best person in the world, and Grandpa is my best old man friend." Grandparents and grandchildren share a very strong and loving bond, a unique and meaningful connection. Grandparents have always been important members of a family. For grandchildren, they are like a cushion for cuddling and providing the security when parents are busy with their household chores and jobs. Grandparents are not bound by time, so can focus on completely having a great time, which in turn will help them to keep good health and be active. One could say grandchildren almost energize you. Parents often observe that their parents are totally different when they interact with the grandkids, more liberal, tolerant, and patient than they were with them as children. Some grandkids are fortunate when they have a set of grandparents, but some are doubly blessed and when they are having two sets of grandparents to pamper them. Spending time with grandkids is a wonderful reminder of the pleasure of life, especially when they are blessed with nicknames Nan, Pa, Granny, Grandpa, Papu, Nanu, etc., etc. Nothing can compare to this kind of relationship, and every grandparent will agree with it. Grandchildren have changed our lives, so dear grandparents, continue enjoying every moment with your adorable, cheeky, and naughty and grandkids. Thank you.
That was really amazing speech. I must tell you that you all have got the gift of the gab.
Hold your excitement, Aisha. There is much more to come. जी हाँ, आज के प्रोग्राम को 4 चांद लगाने आ रहे हैं आपके लाडले आंखों के तारे. So hold your breath. We present before you a group dance by our young friends from standard 1st and 2nd.
चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाब
के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशियाँ
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनको से चल बनाए आशियाँ
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनको से चल बनाए आशियाँ.
Wow, the young dancers really held everyone captive. An essay on creativity, a firework of rapid moving steps. Awesome.
What we say is important, for in the most cases, the mouth speaks what the heart is full of. Here we have a wonderful speech by our young friends.
Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today I am going to speak few words about my grandparents. My grandparents are most important member of my family. They have full of love and happiness. They give to me gifts and sweets and etc. They take me to park and fun games and etc. My grandparents are lovely. Thank you.
आदरणीय महोदया, शिक्षकगण, मेरे प्यारे मित्रों और दादा दादी नाना नानी सबको मेरा अभिवादन। मैं ऋषिक सिंकर कक्षा दूसरे लीले में पढ़ता हूँ। ये मेरी दादी। हम सब वर्चुअल क्लासरूम के जरिए दादा दादी नाना नानी ये दिवस मना रहे हैं। सभी दादा दादी नाना नानी को इस दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आपका प्यार, स्नेह और सीख हम पर हमेशा बने रहे। आपके जीवन का सफर सहज और स्वस्थ रहे। दादा दादी हो या नाना नानी, शब्द अलग पर महत्व एक खुशियों का पिटारा। दादा दादी नाना नानी ये शब्द में कितनी मिठास है, जिनके बिना जीवन अधूरा है। कितनी खुश नसीब है जिनको इनका साथ है। दादी के गोंद के लड्डू हो या बेसन के, खाते तो दोनों है। दादी की लोरियां और मनोहर कहानियां मन को बहलाती है और सीख भी पढ़ाती है। दादाजी के उंगलियां पकड़कर घूमने जाने का मजा ही और है। अव्वल नंबर आने पर पार्टियां बहुत होती है और जन्मदिन आने पर बहुत सारे तोहफे। किसी व्यक्ति ने उनके ऊपर कुछ सुंदर पंक्तियां लिखी है, मैं पेश करता हूँ। दादा दादी कितने प्यारे, हम उनके आंखों के तारे। तन चाहे हो पूरा इनका, पर होते जवान दिल वाले। मम्मी पापा से भी ज्यादा ये तो घर का ध्यान रखे। होमवर्क में हाथ बढ़ाकर और बहुत सारी सीख सिखाए। तोल भी यही बन जाते जब हम कभी शोर मचाते। साथ हमारे खेला करते कैरम, लूडो और कराटे। मुझको मेरे दादी दादा पूरे जग से भी ज्यादा पाते। दादा दादी कितने प्यारे, हम उनके लाड दुलारे। हमारे जीवन में दादा दादी नाना नानी ये एक हसीन तोहफा है। सारा जहां पर बिताते हैं, हमको खुश रखते हैं, हमें सीख पढ़ाते हैं। हमारे दादा दादी नाना नानी को साथ आदर से व्यवहार करेंगे, हमारे साथ रखेंगे और उनके जीवन में भी खुशियों भर देंगे। सभी दादा दादी नाना नानी को फिर से मेरा अभिवादन और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार आदरणीय शिक्षक वर्ग आणि माझे विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो, माझे नाव वैष्णवी सोनवणे, मी दुसरीच्या वर्गात आहे। मी आज तुम्हाला आजी आजोबा यांच्याबद्दल काही सांगणार आहे. आजी आजोबांच्या प्रेमाला भासुंदीची गोडी, आजी आजोबांच्या प्रेमाला भासुंदीची गोडी, त्यांच्या प्रेमासाठी आम्ही मुले झाले वेडी असे मला वाटते. आजी आजोबांना काय वाटत ते सांगू? दुधापेक्षा साय गोड, नातवंडांच्या प्रेमाला जगात नाही तोड. पूर्ण कुटुंबाला एका मायेत जपून ठेवणारी, त्यांच्यासाठी काबाड कष्ट करणारी, त्यांची काळजी घेणारी, ते म्हणजे आजी आणि आजोबा. पूर्वी एक कविता खूप छान होती. तबडक घोडोबा, घोड्यावर बसले लाडोबा, लाडोबाची लाड करते कोण? आजी आजोबा अजून कोण? मित्रांनो, मला जे हवं ते पदार्थ बनवून खाऊ घालणारी माझी आजी, तर जे हवं ते आणून देणारे आजोबा. बोट धरून चालायला शिकवणारी आजी, तर हात पकडून शाळेत नेणारे आजोबा. माझ्यासाठी घोडा होणारे, मला खांद्यावर घेऊन फिरवणारे, मला अभ्यासात मदत करणारे, व्यायामाचे धडे शिकवणारे, ते म्हणजे माझे आजोबा. आई बाबा रागवल्यावर तिच्या खुशीत घेणारी आजी. असे आजी आजोबा कुणाला नको? प्रेमाचा सागर, वात्सल्याचा खजिना आणि अनुभवांची शिजोरी असलेला माझ्या अशा आजी आजोबांना मी खूप प्रेम करते. परंतु आजच्या या बदलत्या पिढीत आपल्याला एकटे राहण्याची ओढ लागली आहे. आजच्या या पिढीत आपल्याला आजी आजोबा ही संकल्पना समजून सांगावी लागते. झपाट्याने बदलत चाललेल्या या पिढीला योग्य रस्ता दाखवण्यासाठी आजी आजोबा हवेच. मी असं म्हणेन, आजी आजोबा ज्ञानाचे भंडार असतात. ते अंधाऱ्यात जगाचे दार असतात. त्यांच्या अनुभवांच्या शिजोरीनं आणि मार्गदर्शनानं आपले आयुष्य चांगले घडते. आई बाबांपेक्षा पण 2 महान रत्न देवानं आपल्याला दिले आहेत आजी आजोबांच्या रूपात. मित्रांनो, त्यांचा आदर करणे आणि त्यांची काळजी घेणे हे आपलं कर्तव्य आहे. मी शेवटी एवढंच सांगेल मित्रांनो, जिथे जिथे आहे वृक्ष तिथे तिथे आहे छाया. जिथे जिथे आहे वृक्ष तिथे तिथे आहे छाया. आणि जिथे आहेत आजी आजोबा तिथे आहे माया आणि माया. धन्यवाद.
Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today I'm speaking school as my lovely grandparents. They are the most loving members of our family. They give me gifts and sweets and everything what I like. With lots of love and happiness. They take me to the park, play fun games with me. Do you know, my grandparents know a lot of stories. I love them so much and they love me too. Visit all our grandparents a wonderful and a beautiful Grandparents' Day.
Their work is a joy to witness. Good job.
Hey Aisha, do you know that our friends from Standard 8 have also prepared well to showcase their talent?
Oh wow, please tell me more about it.
Oh sure. Without wasting any time, I present before you a skit enacted and written by the students of our class.
Grandparents are a crucial ingredient in the family mix. They have a unique connection with their grandchildren. So let's witness the importance of grandparents through a skit. Introduction. This skit revolves around a boy named Jay and his grandmother. Jay loves his grandmother very much. But as soon as he grows up, he gets involved in smartphones, video games, etc. and doesn't respond to his grandmother very much. This makes grandmother very upset. But soon he realizes his mistake and repays his grandmother with love and care. Scene 1. Jay is born. Everyone in the family is very happy.
Oh my Jay, look here. Look at your grandmother, my son.
Now will you allow me to play with my grandson?
Go Jay, now go to your grandfather.
Oh my grandson, you are so cute. You will see, He will become the best of all.
Scene 2. After 5 years, Jay's mother is chasing Jay with a glass of milk in her hand.
Jay, stop! I'll quietly drink the milk, Jay, stop!
Mother, I don't like to drink milk. Granny, please say to mom that I don't like to drink milk.
Look, mother, your naughty grandchild isn't drinking the milk.
Why, Jay? You know if you drink milk, you will become strong, just as Superman, and you will be able to punch that bad Rahul on his face. Really, Granny Mom? Give me the glass. I will drink in 2 seconds.
Scene 3. Jay is playing with the ball and accidentally he breaks his father's friend's expensive vase.
Jay, what have you done? Don't you know how expensive this vase was? Sorry, Dad.
What sorry? What will I say to my friend now?
Why are you scolding my Jay? He didn't do it intentionally.
But mother!
No buts. Now go and buy a new vase.
Thank you, Granny. You always save me.
Scene 4. After 10 years.
Jay, son, come. I will tell an interesting story. Come.
Oh, Granny, please. I don't want to listen to your stupid kings and queen stories. Anyway, the new edition of Underground Bandits is out. I'm going to read it.
Scene 5. It's night and Jay is going to sleep.
Jay, come here. Sleep on my lap. I will sing you a lullaby. Come.
Granny, please stop irritating me. I'm not a kid anymore.
Scene 6. Jay is now 20 years old and has a home of his own. He works in a big company. Meanwhile, grandmother suffers with illness and needs to be hospitalized as soon as possible. Jay calls his friend home and is busy talking to him.
Doctor, is my mother okay?
We can't say anything right now. Her condition is very serious. We need to do our operation. Pray to God.
Leah, Jay isn't picking up the phone.
Oh God, please save my mother. Please.
Jay checks his phone and sees various missed calls from his father. He calls back his father.
Yeah, I met him last month. I think so in DMart. Just a second, let me check my phone. Oh no, there are numerous missed calls per night. Let me check out. Hello Dad, what happened?
Jay, come to the city hospital as soon as possible. Your grandmother is ill and her operation is going on.
What? I'm coming to the hospital right now.
He reaches the hospital.
Mom, Dad, what happened to Grandma? How is she feeling now?
Son, grandmother is in a very serious condition.
Oh Granny, forgive me for the way I have behaved with you. Oh God, forgive me.
Congratulations, the operation was successful.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Oh Granny, I'm sorry. Forgive me for the way I have behaved.
How can a grandmother be angry with his grandson?
So did you all see? That's why we should always love and care for our grandparents. We must repay our grandparents for the love they gave to us. Thank you.
लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना
लिली हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुले गुलजार क्या कहना
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुले गुलजार क्या कहना
That was really well performed and script.
Now, let us have the pleasure of listening to the messages given by our grandparents.
നമസ്തേ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ പേര് പ്രസന്നകുമാരി ഞാൻ ആതിഥേയുടെ അച്ഛമ്മയാണ് എൻ്റെ രണ്ടും പേരക്കുട്ടികളും പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ സ്കൂളിലാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത് അവരെൻ്റെ അഭിമാനമാണ് അവരുടെ അഭിമാനവും അവരുടെ ബഹുമാനവും കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട് അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഈ സൗകര്യം തന്നതിൽ വളരെയധികം നന്ദിയുണ്ട് പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ സ്കൂളിലെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിനും സിസ്റ്റേഴ്സിനും എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ അവസരം തന്നതിന് വളരെയധികം അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു.
Joseph is my first grandchild and he has a very special place in my heart. His smartness and intelligence has always amazed me and everyone else around him. By the grace of God, he has a very strong desire and eagerness to learn new things each day. Something which fascinated me was his strong passion in the field of construction since the age of 3. Joseph still continues to be passionate about that and knows a lot more than any of us. Well, he also has a construction site of his own at home. I must say that I'm really proud to be his grandmother. He's a very loving and understanding child that I am often awed seeing how mature he acts in certain situations. Joseph is very bright in studies, especially in men and math. He is very fast in addition and subtraction. He is always eager to participate in all school events and activities. We appreciate the effort taken by the school to mold the future generation and especially for organizing this Grandparents' Day. Thank you.
On this joyful occasion of Grandparents' Day, it is my great honor and privilege to share a few words about my grandson Joseph and his school. I have numerous fond memories with Joseph because I have had the opportunity to watch him grow right from his birth. We play hide and seek, work at imaginary construction sites, solve jigsaw puzzles, read Bible stories, watch fascinating videos, and most importantly, pray together. Over the last few years, our grandfather-grandson relationship has blossomed into a wonderful, mutually satisfying friendship. I have often wondered how Joseph has transformed from a cute little baby to a confident young boy. Of course, it is God's grace that has helped him make this transition. However, his school has also played a major role in the transformation. His teachers have not only taught him the school curriculum but also imparted moral values and life skills. Even during this pandemic season, the school has cheered Joseph up in different ways. Instead of making children do tasks in a dull, boring manner, the school has incorporated entertaining creative activities such as craft making, role playing, and video presentation. In addition, the school has organized exciting extracurricular activities and competitions. I would like to thank the school management for celebrating Grandparents' Day. Even during this pandemic, may God bless the school management, teachers, supporting staff, and all the children and their families. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं दादा दादी नाना नानी अवसर पर सबको शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। वैसे भी छात्रों नाती पोती उनको मेरा शुभ आशीर्वाद। सारा दिन कैसे बीत जाता है समझ नहीं आता, पता नहीं। सुबह से रात तक आजी आजी का नाम चलते रहता है। अभी कोरोना की वजह से सब पूरे घर में है, इसलिए और नाता दूर हो जाता है। इस दिन उनकी सेहत का और पढ़ाई का भी सब ध्यान रखता है। बड़े होकर अच्छे से पढ़ाई करके बड़े इंसान बने, मानव कल्याण में अपना योगदान दे, अपना मम्मी पापा का ख्याल रखे। यही मेरा सबको आशीर्वाद है कि और नाना नानी को शुभकामनाएं।
नमस्कार, सामान्य प्राचार्य एवं शिक्षकगण, सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी कि आपने मुझे इस दिवस पर बोलने का अवसर दिया। आज के मशीनी युग में एक बच्चे का ज़्यादातर समय मशीन के साथ ही बीतता है। ऐसे में विद्यालय की ओर से इस दिवस के आयोजन होने से मुझे अपने पोते से जुड़ने का अवसर मिला और हमारे संबंधों में भी मधुरता बढ़ी। दादा दादी बनना और अपने पोते को बड़े होते हुए देखना हमारे जीवन का एक सबसे अच्छा एहसास है। यह देखकर और भी प्रसन्नता मिलती है कि हमारे बच्चे समाज के एक अच्छे नागरिक हैं और वो अपने बच्चे के विकास के लिए सदा तत्पर हैं। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं विद्यालय के शिक्षकगण को आभार प्रकट करना चाहूँगी कि आपके मार्गदर्शन में विद्यालय के सभी बच्चों को सही और गलत का पहचान हो रहा है और जीवन में आने वाले हर कठिनाइयों का भी सामना करना धीरे धीरे सीख रहे हैं। अंत में विद्यालय के सभी बच्चों को मेरा ढेर सारा प्यार और शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hi, I am Shanwaz Theba from class 8th Lily and she is my grandmother. Today she will be speaking on Grandparents' Day on this wonderful occasion.
નમસ્તે, હું અમીદા ઇબ્રાહિમ થેબા, શાહનવાઝ અને મોહમ્મદ જુલ્ફિકારની દાદી આજે ગ્રાન્ડ પેરેન્ટ ડેમાં મને બોલવા માટે આમંત્રણ આપ્યું છે, એટલે હું બોલું છું તમારી સામે. પ્રેઝન્ટેશન કોન્વેન્ટ સ્કૂલમાં સરસ અભ્યાસ થાય છે છોકરાઓનું ને ઘણી સારી સ્કૂલ છે. પ્રિન્સિપાલ મેડમ ને ટીચરો બધી હેલ્પફુલ છે અને બહુ જ સારી બધી છે. એના માટે મને સારું લાગે છે કે અહીંયા છોકરાઓ સારી રીતે ભણતર કરે છે. અને આ કોરોના વાયરસ જેવો ચાલે છે એમાં ઓનલાઈન અભ્યાસ થાય છે, એમાં પણ ટીચરો ઘણી જ મહેનત કરે છે અને સ્કૂલનું સારું યોગદાન છે. એમાં સ્કૂલ બાળકો માટે ઘણું કરે છે અને આવી રીતે તમે મને આમંત્રણ આપ્યું એમાં મને બહુ આનંદ થયો અને તમારી આભારી છું. જય હિન્દ, જય મહારાષ્ટ્ર. નમસ્તે.
Happy Grandparents' Day.
That was really amazing speech. I must tell you that you all have got the gift of the gab.
Yes, अभी और भी entertainment बाकी है, अभी और भी showcase of talent बाकी है. Without taking much of your time, permit us to call our talented students to perform on stage. There will be a group dance by students from class 8th.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनू, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक। और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग। छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना, छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, तू ही है संसार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा, ओ मखना वे मखना। मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा, ओ मखना।
That was indeed a wonderful performance.
We have reached the end of our program. Here we have our friend Ayansh Kaushik presenting before you a vote of thanks.
Hello everyone! Wow, what an event! It's really great that today's event turned out to be very successful. I'm Ayansh and I'm here to present vote of thanks to the people who made this event successful. First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. On this occasion, I felt privileged to thank all the world's grandparents on behalf of all the grandchildren for making my childhood amazing, wonderful and memorable. Thanks a lot to you, dear grandparents, for giving us the world's best mom and dad. For that we shall always be thankful. May you always shower your blessings on all of us. We wish you a good health and long life ahead. I would like to thank our distinguished speakers for making an excellent presentation and making this event very meaningful and interesting. I'd like to express our deep gratitude to sisters for their presence in this celebration. I am immensely thankful to Master Shreyas and Miss Aisha for their efforts towards anchoring today. Their ideas, elegance of explanation of everything. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation. I mention to our respected Principal Sister T. Joseph for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillar of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers and sisters for their untiring effort. Sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encourage. Without your support, children would not be able to achieve excellence. Thank you so very much for watching this event. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars that made this event joyful. with their impressive performances, especially the students of standard 1st, 2nd and 8th. Your days of hard work were evident in your act. With folded hands, I thank all our teachers, particularly the class teacher of standard 8th, 2nd and 1st and Manoj sir, for all their efforts to make this a beautiful reality. All the programs were very good and were enjoyed by each one of you. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this Grandparents' Day celebration memorable for all of us. Thank you so much.